We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can install or insert an SD or memory card into this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 Security Camera. So first, take your micro SD card. Yep, so it's micro SD. Then open this compartment at the bottom. So open it. Here you'll find the SD card slot. So position your SD card that it faces it contact side upwards. Then slot the SIM card into this hole here. I hope the lighting is okay. Lighting is okay. And you see everything. And then push it inside until you hear a click. And once the SD card is inserted, you can close this compartment. And now open the ieGeek Cam app, then open the camera settings and restart the camera in order for the SD card to be acknowledged and configured and initialized successfully. So, now just wait for the camera to be restarted. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.